In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Nano Banana Pro in Google Vids and turn images into videos. By the end, you'll know how to generate a high-quality image with a prompt and then transform it into a dynamic video, all inside Google Vids. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Vids and press Enter. From the results, click the official Google Vids website. This brings you to the workspace where the AI tools are available. Inside Google Vids, choose the Image option. This is where Gemini Nano Banana Pro will create a still image from your description. In the prompt field, be as specific as you can. Details help the model understand your intent and produce a sharper result. For example, you might write something like, an ultra-realistic photo of a dog skateboarding on a city street in natural daylight, with detailed fur texture, motion blur on the wheels, sharp focus on the dog's face, realistic shadows, and a cinematic composition. Adding cues like high-end camera or 8K resolution can guide the look and clarity. If you have a mood in mind, include it. Cinematic, editorial, sports photography, so the style aligns with your goal. When your prompt looks good, click Create. Give it a moment to process. If the first render isn't quite right, you can refine your wording by emphasizing the subject, lighting, or composition until the image matches your vision. Once you're happy with the still, it's time to turn it into motion. Click Convert to Video. You'll see a new prompt field focused on movement and pacing. Describe how you want the action to unfold. For instance, you could specify that the dog is riding the skateboard at high speed, wheels spinning, with the background streaked by motion blur, the dog leaning forward for balance, ears and fur catching the wind, and the scene lit naturally. Calling out dynamic movement, sharp focus on the subject, and a cinematic sports style helps the system understand both the energy and the framing you want. Now click Generate. The tool will animate your concept based on the image and your motion description. Let it render, then play back the result. If the motion feels too subtle or too intense, tweak your prompt by adjusting speed, focus, or camera vibe. Think tracking shot, slow pan, or high-speed action, and generate again until it feels just right. That's it. You searched for Google Vids, created a detailed image with Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and converted it into a compelling video with a clear motion prompt. Happy creating!